In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Stripe from Payhip. If you no longer want Stripe connected to your Payhip account, the process is straightforward and only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, head over to your Payhip dashboard and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Starting from the dashboard is helpful because it gives you direct access to all of your account and store settings in one place. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the account option. Click on account to open the menu where your profile and store related settings are organized. This is the area Payhip uses for things like preferences, payment setup, and account management. From there, click on settings. This will take you into the section where the more detailed configuration options are stored. If you've never explored this area before, don't worry. You're just moving one level deeper into your account controls. Inside settings, find and click on Payment Details. This is the section that manages how you receive money through your Payhip store. Since Stripe is one of the payment processors connected through this area, this is exactly where you need to go to remove it. After opening Payment Details, locate the Stripe section. You should see a Manage option associated with Stripe. Click on Manage to open the available actions for that payment connection. This step is important because it brings up the controls for your currently linked Stripe account. Next, click on Disconnect. This is the final action that unlinks Stripe from your Payhip account. Once you do this, Stripe will no longer be connected as an active payment method through that Payhip setup. Before you disconnect it, it's a good idea to make sure you actually want to remove that payment processor, especially if you're currently using it to accept customer payments. Disconnecting Stripe may affect how buyers can complete purchases, so if you plan to continue selling, you may want to confirm that another payment method is already set up and working properly. And that's it. You've now gone from the Payhip dashboard to account, then settings, then payment details, opened the Stripe management area, and disconnected the account. If you follow those clicks in order, the process should be quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you successfully unlink Stripe from Payhip.